I was hurt by the way things panned out, and saying that उस मेरी shadow में रह लेती. No one's there to be in anybody's shadow. Abhishek was the first person to come and meet me, and he's my best friend. He will be my best friend. And rahi baat, the first thing that you asked me that you used that body shaming thing. If I had to use it, I wouldn't have. My tiff with her has been there since the first week, and I've always not liked her. Abhishek and I were very close. A lot of people in the house were threatened.
हेलो अशनूर, वेलकम टू पिंकविला.
Hi, thank you.
मैम, क्या आपको लगता है कि योर eviction was unfair? It is being discussed that previous aggressive actions were ignored, but आपको evict कर दिया गया when the Tanya incident happened?
Of course, I'm disheartened because the journey did have an abrupt ending. It was very sudden, very shocking, and मैंने in fact stage पे भी बोला था that I want to be the youngest winner, and being so close to the finale, to the trophy, and just being evicted a week before felt like किसी ने वो सपना छीन के shatter कर दिया. So yes, I am upset.
सोशल मीडिया पे बज़ है कि सलमान खान और बिग बॉस तानिया मित्तल को लेके बायस्ड है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस?
See, I don't know about the biasness, but what I do know is that at least the audience is seeing through the fakeness, the false narratives, and वो जैसी है वो वैसी ही स्क्रीन पे दिखेगी at the end of the day. And the audience today is very smart, so they will, I hope, and I think that is happening. They are seeing through.
Ma'am, the audience is discussing a lot that you use Tanya's body shaming comment according to your own convenience, and a clip of your dad telling you to use the same has also gone viral. What would you like to say to that?
I would love to point out on the negative PR that a lot of people are trying to do, and a lot of teams are trying to do. If you look at the entire clip about me and my dad, it was a very different context that we were talking about, and two different things have been merged together. I do understand the nature of the show कि आप सब कुछ नहीं दिखा सकते because there's a lot of content and you do have to edit out certain things. But the conversation that Dad and I were having was, it started off with how Dad was telling me that he felt really bad when he heard about certain things, that I'd gone through in the past and I hadn't shared with him, the toothbrush thing and all of that stuff. And that's what he was referring to, कि आप don't let this body shaming thing get to your head and just let it go. It is okay, you don't need to let that affect you mentally so much. And then this part in the middle got edited out wherein he mentioned that, so the part that was edited out was basically when he was telling me that, after this body shaming thing, he'd mentioned that, आप और मैं बहुत similar हो because my nature is on my dad to let things go, to not give a lot of importance to things that are small, and कोई poke कर रहा है तो ठीक है, you speak precisely, concisely, and then you don't elaborate a lot on that, and that's how I am brought up, that's how I am. But वो मुझे ये बता रहे थे that बाहर this thing is being looked at as my weakness, कि लोग छोटी छोटी चीज़ों पे poke कर रहे हैं. I'm either just giving one liner and not dragging that thing, or I'm just letting it go क्योंकि I don't feel that's so important कि मैं उस पर reply भी करूँ. So Dad was like, इधर कोई भी छोटा या बड़ा मुद्दा नहीं है. If people are poking you, you reply to that and you speak up on that. You hold your grounds and you don't let that go. So this don't let that go, and that first thing was merged together or whatever. And rahi baat, the first thing that you asked me that you used that body shaming thing. If I had to use it, I wouldn't have handled the situation the way I did on Weekend Kawar when this issue was brought out. It is a very personal thing for me. It's a very personal journey that I had gone through. And the only reason I shared my journey was also that the audience watching it and being affected by it and going through the same thing does not feel that they are alone. I wanted to spread body positivity. I wanted to spread that it is okay to be yourself and be comfortable in it. क्योंकि मुझे यूज़ करना होता तो मैं उस चीज़ को और बढ़ा चढ़ा के रिएक्ट करती, but I did not do that because that's who I am.
कुनिका जी ने हमारे इंटरव्यू में बोला था that your friendship with Gaurav was fake. What are your thoughts on GK's performance in the Big Boss house? And क्योंकि even Salman is shocked by his demeanor in the show.
I would not say that the friendship was fake, but I would say that we had a lot of differences in opinions. We think very differently, and he's always mentioned that दिमाग दिल के ऊपर होता है for a reason. So he listens more to his mind. I'm a person who probably listens to her heart more. So maybe that's where the difference comes. And अगर हमारे बीच में कोई conversations होती भी हैं, I always put across my point that, okay, that's your opinion, but that's how I feel. Because at the end of the day, it's a game about individuality. It's a game about personalities. And you need to be your own self. So वही हो रहा था game के भी अंदर. Yes, but I would say the last day, जब weekend का वार हुआ and the eviction happened, I was hurt by the way things panned out, and saying that उस मेरी shadow में रह लेती. No one's there to be in anybody's shadow. Saying that मैंने बोला था, उन्होंने मुझे बोला था that मैंने मारा. You hit her. मैंने बोला मैंने नहीं मारा. And I did not agree on that, and I still do not agree on that because it was not intentional at all. Had he told me that उसको लगी है एक बार जाके देख लिया Shnur, I would have immediately gone, because I am the same person who asked Tanya if she's okay when Farhana broke the plate. I was the one who consoled her when she was crying at the beginning of the family week, and उससे just पहले body shaming का issue हुआ था. I was the one who would gone and consoled Farhana, जबकि वो मेरी दोस्त भी नहीं है. So all of these things are who I am. I empathize with people. I am emotional that way. I'm sensitive towards people. But ये मुझे बोला ही नहीं गया. मुझे वीकेंड पे पता चला कि उसको लगी है. Because even if you look at the clips, firstly the plank was super heavy. I'm almost bent. My shoulders were sore and everything. And गुस्से में, because I could see 3 people planning and plotting against me to get me out of the ticket to finale race because I was in the top 2 thing. And I just put the plank down. उतने में उसको लग गई, and then she was laughing. So it was not, तो मुझे लगा नहीं कि उसको लगी है. And nobody told me that उसको लगी है. बाद में when she created a scene out of it, I'll be very honest, I thought she's acting just like she's always done in the show. Later on weekend का वार, I get to know that GK had given her a roll on and she actually got hurt. And I did not know about any of that.
Did you speak to Abhishek after getting evicted? Netizens हमेशा कहते थे कि आप अभिषेक की शैडो में अपना गेम नहीं दिखा पाए. क्या अभिषेक के जाने के बाद आपका गेम अच्छा होने की जगह बिगड़ गया?
Abhishek was the first person to come and meet me, and he's my best friend. He will be my best friend, inside or outside the house. And I don't really agree with the fact that मैं अभिषेक के shadow में थी या game उसके जाने से anything changed. I was being myself even when he was there. I was myself even after he got evicted from the house. I just feel that when I was inside the house, there were a lot of clips, a lot of things that were not shown. So maybe that's why people are perceiving it in such a way that I wasn't seen or I wasn't speaking much, wherein I've always been the way I am in the house. But I do understand that, episodes there's not everything that you can show, and a lot of things are edited out. But that's how the format is. I mean, 1 hour में आप क्या दिखा लोगे?
Ma'am, netizen said first Abhishek, then GK, then Praneeth. You were constantly under their support. तो आपके एविक्शन के बाद GK ने कहा कि आप उनके साथ रहते या उनके सपोर्ट में रहते तो शायद आप और लंबा खेल पाते. Do you agree to that?
See, it's a game of individuality. Abhishek and I were very close. तो लोगों ने ये narrative set किया. I also think a lot of people in the house were threatened, क्योंकि जब 2 strong लोग साथ में होते हैं, लोग और threaten हो जाते हैं. एंड रही बात किसी की शैडो में रहने की, तो अगर मैं शैडो में रह रही होती तो मैं उनकी हर बात मानती. तो वीकेंड के बाद पे मुझे ये नहीं बोला जाता कि आप गौरव के अगेंस्ट गए थे या आपने बोला कि आपके डिफरेंसेस ऑफ ओपिनियंस हैं. अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स आई हैव टोल्ड GK दैट ठीक है, ये आपका ओपिनियन है लेकिन मेरा ये ओपिनियन है, एंड आई हैव डन व्हाट आई थिंक इज़ राइट. Praneeth is my very good friend. So just because you're wow with someone, you are talking to someone, does not mean आप उनके shadow में हो. आपको इनफैक्ट ये देखना चाहिए कि बातें हो के भी, दूसरों के opinions जान के भी आप करते अपनी हो, and that shows your individuality.
सलमान सर ने आपको वीकेंड के वार पे बोला था कि जब से एकता कपूर ने तानिया को शो ऑफर किया है तब से आप उनको टारगेट कर रहे हो. डू यू अग्री विद सलमान सर ऑन दिस?
Not at all. I think this is not true, and there is nothing for me to target her on, because not blowing my own trumpets, आप सभी ने देखा है, I've been working since a very young age. I have done shows with Ekta ma'am. I have been there, and मुझे ऐसा लगता है that अगर बिग बॉस से किसी को कुछ शो मिल रहा है या उनकी ग्रोथ हो रही है और दे आर वेंचरिंग इनटू द इंडस्ट्री, दैट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग, क्योंकि ये शो है ही इतना बड़ा कि वो आपको एक प्लेटफॉर्म देता है. एंड in fact, I congratulated her also, and me and GK Pranit, we were all talking about it, and even they were like, "Yare, sorry, just a second." Yeah. And they were like कि अरे उसको कैसे शो मिल गया and all of that stuff, but I was like नहीं, अच्छी बात है ना, हर कोई इधर से ग्रो करेगा, हर कोई आगे बढ़ेगा, and it is good for her. So there is nothing. I think that is totally baseless. The statement is totally baseless. My tiff with her has been there since the first week. And I've always not liked her because there's a lot of fakeness, a lot of duality in her personality, and I'm a person who prefers कि जो मेरे साथ जैसा है वो वैसा ही रहे. I don't like the fact that आप face पे sweet हो रहे हो फिर पीठ पीछे कुछ बोल रहे हो, so I never really connected with her.
When Malti entered the house, she hugged you and treated like a younger sister, but later she started calling you the most mean and selfish girl in the Big Boss house. What changed in your dynamic?
I think the very fact that she was hypocritical in her approach. क्योंकि या तो आप मुझे बोल दो that you're 21, I don't want to fight with you, but then in another fight, very close, you're just abusing me, or you're calling me out on things that are not even true. That shows her personality. अगर मैं mean होती, so I wouldn't have fed her during the Teddy task, wherein her friend group had actually refused to feed her any food. I wouldn't have stood by her when Farhana was bullying her in the kitchen and she was cooking. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप जैसे होते हो, आपके पास अगर किसी को कुछ बोलने के लिए नहीं होता है without any solid point, you just make random statements about that person to pull them down.
Ma'am, last question. Netizens और सलमान सर ने आपका झूठ 3 बार पकड़ा. पहली बार जब अभिषेक को जिताने का झूठ बोला, दूसरी बार जब आपके डैड वाला जो कमेंट था, एंड तीसरी बार तानिया को जो लॉग लगा था वो वाला चीज़. तो नेटिजन्स के अकॉर्डिंग ये असली अशनूर है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस?
वेल, आई थिंक आप इस शो में जो भी करते हो उसके हमेशा 2 पर्सपेक्टिव्स होंगे. देयर बी सम पीपल हु आर विद यू, देयर बी सम पीपल हु आर अगेंस्ट यू. ये जो तीनों चीज़ें आपने मेंशन की है, इन तीनों चीज़ों की क्लैरिफिकेशन हो रखी है इन द शो. वीकेंड के बाद भी क्लैरिफिकेशन हो रखी है. एंड इफ़ देयर आर सर्टन पीपल हु डू वांट टू बिलीव इट, दैट इज़ देयर चॉइस. बट इन तीनों चीज़ों के लेके काफ़ी डिस्कशंस हुए हैं, एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज कम आउट विद अ क्लीन चिट. And the audience who wants to understands these things, looks through things, looks beyond narratives, and looks and reads between the lines. तो अगर आप ये चीज़ें एक उस नज़रिए से देखो, so I really don't need to explain myself. बाकी जो लोगों को नहीं एक्सेप्ट करना है, या अगर कुछ लोग हैं जो किसी और को फेवर कर रहे हैं, so that's their choice.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.